Good morning, student. Dear student, from today I am going to revise your lesson first, my body. Dear student, in this chapter, in first line written, our body is wonderful gift of nature. Why written so? My body is a wonderful gift of nature because, dear student, our body have different parts which make us enable to perform different type of work easily. For example, nature given us hands are used for cooking food, washing clothes, bathing, carry baggage, etc. Beside, nature given us eyes, and through eyes we can observe our surroundings. We can easily recognize the color of everything which presents in the environment. Nature gives us eyes. Through eyes, we can easily differentiate between the unpleasant and pleasant sound. Nature given us mouth through which we can intake our food. Nature gives us legs through which we can run easily during the urgent period of time. So by this way we can say our different parts which are given by the nature as a gift have their own important. तो प्यारे बच्चों, ये हम कह सकते हैं कि नेचर ने, प्रकृति ने जो भी अलग अलग अंग हमें दिए हैं, हम so dear student, we can say that by this way our different body parts help us in different manners. We can also talk about our skin. Our skin also work as a protective layer. It's protect our some other organs. Beside, if we have any injury means chot. If we have any injury, then skin having capacity to feel such type of injury. By this way we can say we have so many parts in our body which perform their own function, and when these all organs perform their own functions together, then they help us. It is clear? Now some examples are given in your book regarding different organs. As an example, first paragraph, in this, Neha's elder sister has prepared a nice dish. Dish means एक प्रकार का भोजन. प्रिपेयर्ड मीन्स तैयार किया है। तो नेहा की सिस्टर ने एक बहुत ही अच्छा व्यंजन भोजन तैयार किया है। नेहा पुट्स अ स्पूनफुल ऑफ इट इन हर माउथ एंड सेज। व्हेन नेहा पुट्स अ स्पूनफुल मीन्स एक चम्मच भर के अपने मुंह में डालती है तो उसको तो कुछ फील होगा। देन फीलिंग एक्सप्रेस इन ए वर्ड, ओह देयर इज नो salt in it. It means what? It means here reflect the role of our tongue. Our tongue enable us to recognize the taste of food stuff. Food stuff means भोज्य पदार्थ, खाने का कोई भी पदार्थ। Here Neha's tongue help to recognize there is no salt add in the food. तो इस प्रकार से हमारी टंग क्या करती है, स्वाद को पता करती है। नाउ इन अनदर पैरा, राहुल टच अ ब्लॉक ऑफ आइस। वन ब्लॉक ऑफ आइस मे बी इन rectangle shape, either in a square shape, but there is a one thing is clear, there is a block of ice, एक बर्फ का ब्लॉक टुकड़ा है, and immediately draws her fingers away. Why? Because when Rahul touches a block of ice, then the skin of fingers, Rahul's fingers skin realize that it's too much cold. He says it is very cold. Then Rahul reply also, it is very cold. Question is that here, how Rahul realized that the block of ice is cold? Because our skin help us to identify feeling any things which we are going to touch, very cool, either very hot. It is clear here, beta? Now in the next paragraph, there is a band playing very loud music in the neighborhood park. Neighborhood means पड़ोस में, पार्क मीन्स नॉर्मली पार्क। पार्क में क्या हो रहा है, बैंड वाले म्यूज़िक को प्ले कर रहे हैं, म्यूज़िक बजा रहे हैं। सोनम पुट्स हर हैंड्स ऑन हर ईयर्स, कानों पे अपने सोनम क्या करती है, पुट हर ओन हैंड्स, अपने हाथों को रख लेती है। एंड सेज, और कहती है, दे आर मेकिंग अ लाउड नॉइज़, दे आर मेकिंग अ लाउड नॉइज़। लाउड मीन्स जोर से, ये लोग बहुत ज़ोर से आवाज़ पैदा कर रहे हैं। इट मीन्स हाउ सी रियलाइज दैट, हाउ सोनम रियलाइज दैट sound is very loud, because in our body one organ, ears, help to recognize that sound which are making in our surrounding by anyone are pleasant, either unpleasant. So when we have realized sound is producing by pleasing manner, then we allow our ear to listen attentively. But when we realize that sound is unpleasant, then we try to cover our ear with the help of our both hands. तो साउंड अनप्लीजेंट होगा, सुनने में अच्छा नहीं होगा, तो कानों को बंद करेंगे। साउंड सुनने में अच्छा होगा तो हम अपने कानों को अलाउ करेंगे कि वो ध्यान से उस म्यूज़िक का आनंद ले और उस म्यूज़िक को सुने. Now dear student, in next paragraph given, when we see a beautiful painting, suppose we have chance to visit any place, either in any museum, either in any other place where painting shown by any organization, then anyway if we get opportunity to watch some paintings, then we say wow. Why we say wow? We say wow because such painting attract us. It is a beautiful, because if painting is beautiful, then automatically one words come in our mouth: wow, nice, beautiful, gorgeous, etc. Suniti brings a rose flower near her nose and says it has a nice smell. Suniti brings a rose flower near her nose. नाक के पास लाती है एक गुलाब के फूल को, फिर क्या कहती है? वाओ, it has a nice smell. ये जो है बहुत ही सुंदर, स्मेल मीन्स गंध, महक, इसकी बहुत ही सुंदर महक है, ये बहुत सुंदर महक रखता है. तो हियर Suniti knows help us to recognize the smell of a rose, and in the case of painting, our eyes help us to identify the beauty of painting. Now in next para written here, these examples tell us that, these are the examples which we have read earlier, like about the tongue, about the nose, about the eyes, about the ears, about the fingers, etc. So these examples tell us that our tongue, skin, ears, eyes and nose are able to perform different works, like tongue recognize taste, skin enable us to feel, ears enable us to hear, and eyes enable us to see, and nose enable us to smell various objects. तो सारे अंग ये अलग अलग काम करते हैं. और body organs which help us to sense various things present around us are called sense organs. Sense organs means those part of our body which help us to sense various things which presents in our environment, either around us, जो हमारे वातावरण में हो या हमारे चारों तरफ हो. अब है कि what are the name of these sense organs? Eyes, ears, nose, skin, tongue are our sense organs. Thank you.